guaranteed smiling. So we're driving the S2000, heavily modified. I'm just gonna clutch it in so you can hear me. This car is set up to be a time attack car. So as you can see, there's basically no interior. Racing harness, bucket seats, dash, lots of switches and stuff. And it feels pretty well set up. We're just gonna try to warm up the car a little bit. The car has no brake booster. So the brakes, there are no brakes when it's cold. It really needs to warm up to get the pads to bite. And you need your entire leg to press the brake pedal. Like, you can't just use your toes or your feet, you need your whole leg. This feels like a proper car. Start working, okay. So now you might be able to hear me. So this car came in with a number of issues that we had to resolve, all of which we have since fixed. Except that diff banging around a lot, it's pretty harsh. But yeah, the car is running at a proper temperature now. The battery voltage is stable. We've got a couple of other little small issues like the wastegate placement and some cooling lines that could have been routed a little bit better. So everything feels terrific. But a car like this needs to be driven at the track. You can't really get a feel for it. This thing makes the gears feel super short, but overall, really good street